Alrighty, part 2. So, the problem that I had with this, now I'm going to go ahead and drop this back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this, get these feet off real quick. Alright, now we got a prime view of this. Alright, well, watch this hook engage with that on its upstroke. See this? Look at that clearance. You want that eye to travel. See that eye right there? That's 1/16 of an inch right below that hook it meets on its upstroke. Okay? And that's in the normal position you want it to go. Now some of these shafts are keyed. And I do have mine on here. So the problem with mine was, as you can see, my needle is perfectly centered right there. As you can see, just ever so slightly on there. But I have to have this set to a point so it engages with this locking foot right here, this black bar. And a pro tip, buy more than one of these. These are cast and they break. They don't bend, they snap. Buy multiple. And also buy needle bars. They're inexpensive. But mine's keyed, and as you can see, I actually have mine marked right where the keyway is. You can see I punched it. I would recommend punching it where your keyway screw is, so you know which one has the key. But you gotta loosen the opposite, the one without the key. Turn it. There's the one with the key, and just break that one free, and that will give you the time that you need to go ahead and flip this down, and you use your screwdriver against this to shim it this way, and you use your screwdriver this way to shim it that way to realign it and to get it into the centering. Now let's see how this looks on its upstroke. See, it just barely touches. I don't want it to grab, I just want it to run right over it. Downstroke, and on the upstroke it grabs. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and reverse this process and put this back together for you. Before I go into part 3, step 1, clean your parts. These ones don't need to be cleaned. I service this thing a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this back together, and I'll see you in part 3.